Hello! If you ever had a misconfigured analytic rule flood in your Sentinel workspace with hundreds or thousands of incidents, you know how painful manual cleanup can be. Today, I'll show you how to automate this process with a PowerShell script that will close incidents in minutes. Normally, closing incidents in Sentinel means working through them one page at a time. When you are dealing with thousands of alerts, this approach simply does not scale. This is why I built this PowerShell script, which will automatically close all open incidents regardless of severity, handles pagination for massive incident volumes, provides clear success and failure reporting on it, and works with any Sentinel workspace. Now let's look at the configuration section. You'll need to enter your resource group name, log analytic workspace name, and subscription ID. Optionally, you can adjust page size for API calls, retry attempts for failed operation, and delay between API calls. These defaults work well for most of the environments, but you can of course fine-tune them if needed. Let's run the script right now. I'll copy the script from my GitHub repo and execute it in Azure Cloud Shell. Watch how it processes incidents in batches. This may take a few minutes depending on your volume. And as you can see, it closed incidents and reported progress. The color-coded output make it easy to spot any failures. For targeted cleanup, I've included a bonus version that closes only specific incidents by title. This is perfect when you know exactly which rule is causing problems and want to avoid affecting other alerts. So just like that, we've cleared hundreds of incidents automatically. No more manual clicking and no more wasted time. You will find both scripts on my GitHub, link in the description below. Hope that helps.